Here we have two functions f of x and g of x. Functions f and g are given, and in function f, b is a constant. If f of x times g of x equals to 9 times x to the fourth power, negative 26 times x to the third power, negative 3 times x to the second power, what is the value of b? Okay, here in this equation, let's plug in the stuff we have for f of x and g of x over here. For f of x, we have this stuff, we have x square positive bx times for g of x, this is the stuff we have. Let me plug in, that is 9x square negative 27x. On the right side, we can write this stuff as it is. That is 9 times x to the fourth power, negative 26 x cube, negative 3x square. Now let's multiply these two binomials using FOIL method. Let me multiply the first terms, x square and 9x square. I'm getting 9 times x to the fourth power. Now let's multiply the outer terms. Then I'm getting negative 27 x to the third power. Now let's multiply the inner terms. We get positive 9b x cube. Now let's multiply the last terms, negative 27b x square. On the right side, we can write this stuff as it is. It is 9 times x to the fourth power, negative 26 times x to the third power, negative 3x square. Okay, here two expressions are equal. Whenever two expressions are equal, then the coefficients of like terms must be equal. Here we have 9x to the fourth power. Here we have 9 times x to the fourth power. On the left side, there are two terms containing x cube. On the left side, there is only one term containing x square. On the right side also, we have only one term containing x square. Since there is only one term containing x square on the left side and only one term containing x square on the right side, we can equate the coefficients of x square. Then I am getting negative 27b equals to negative 3. Okay, now to solve for b, let's divide both sides of the equation by negative 27. Here this negative 27 will cancel out. B equals to this negative will cancel out. 3 goes into 3 one times, 3 goes into 27 9 times. I am getting b equals to 1 over 9. I find 1 over 9 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.